So sell is the view on Wari Renewables that Saurabh has. Our next caller, Narayan Rao, is calling us from Visakhapatnam. Mr. Rao, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Good morning, Mahima. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, sir.
Today I elected the Anthem Bioscience Limited.
Okay.
Today is listing, Anna. 1 lakh elected to me, 26 shares. What is the prospect of company for the long period?
Okay.
2 to 3 years.
Okay, Mr. Narayan, I got your
Can
question.
Mahima, can I hold the stocks or can I book the profit? Can I add on the claim?
Okay, got your question, Mr. Rao. I'll take this up with Saurabh quickly. Saurabh, any view on Anthem Biosciences that got listed today? Stellar listing for sure. Would you recommend for Mr. Rao to continue to hold and add more at lower levels, or would you recommend him to book profits?
Since it is a new listing, won't be able to go.
Okay, all right. So, I believe we won't have enough data on the charts as well to give you an answer on that, Mr. Rao. So, we'll come back to you, probably in the next show you can go ahead and ask the same query. But the next question then is from Chandan Jain, who is writing us from Hubli. And his question is on two counters, that is CDSL or BSE, and wants to know if he can go ahead and invest in one of these counters. Ajit, I'll come to you on this. A very good afternoon to you. Would you prefer a CDSL right now on the charts or a BSE?
Hi, good morning. So, see, among these two, both are trading in tandem largely, if you see at least in the last 2-3 months of price action. But as of now, comparison to the BSE, CDSL looks comparatively better. The stock has witnessed decent profit taking of late. It's currently hovering around short-term averages. At lower end, close to around 1650, 1600 area, we are seeing buying interest emerging, and around 1800, 1850 is something that the upside is capped. So if the view is very short-term, one should rather wait and accumulate it gradually in this range of 1600, 1650. And around 1850 should be a first target. And once we cross that mark, then the record high zone close to around 1950, something that one can wait for. For the entire position, 50-50 should be the strict stop loss.
Okay, I was looking at my watch very closely to figure out what the time is. Mahima, good afternoon.
Good morning, Alex.
Okay, all right. The next question is on Anant Raj, and fundamental view is being sought by Kishore Kambampati, who's writing in from Hyderabad. And therefore, I'm going to come to you on this one. He's not entered yet, and he's wondering whether to make a fundamental entry. Saurabh, what's the view on Anant Raj?
See, we have a view on the real estate sector that while the large players might do well, but the companies like Anantraj, which were market favorite because of the its other businesses like something like hyperscale activity and all, I think won't make much of help in terms of making gains. So instead of Anantraj, we like Prestige or maybe DLF.
Or DLF. So therefore, actually the question was a little more involved than that, Saurabh. He's actually looking to play the data center theme, if at all, because this is, a lot of people are saying, a budding sector. A lot of people will require, companies will require data centers. Is there a particular stock that you can recommend that is in that business?
Not in particular.
Not in particular. Okay. All right. So there you go. So he's given you the views. Saurabh has given you the views on real estate. IRB Infra is the name of the counter we're talking about next. And Jacob from the UAE is writing in. He's bought it at the current market price, or rather he bought it on the 19th of May. And he's asking if he can accumulate now. His time horizon is 5 years. And he's a little frustrated, he says, with his investment. It's not done too much. Saurabh, on the fundamentals, IRB Infra, would you hold? Would you add more?
Not best of the company in the lot. Rather, I would suggest to, if you want to be in this space, I think HT Infra is much better company to accumulate.